Hey everyone, I'm Elizabeth and welcome to Els Alchemy. This week's video is not a recipe or not me breaking down an ingredient or answering any thumb question, but rather a heartfelt message from me to you. With Thanksgiving being just next month, I thought why not start right away this month to say my heartfelt gratitude and thanks to each and every one of you who at some point in time clicked on to that subscribe button and joined this family. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for giving me that like. It means so much to me and I cannot express it more than these words for helping me cross this important milestone that I had in mind. Lastly, I want to end this message by saying, as you know that one of the mediums for a content creator to communicate with their subscribers or their viewers is through the comment section. Now, until a creator crosses 500 subscribers, that we don't get access to the community tab as much as we like to. So the only way to know whether a video is really accepted or liked, or if a viewer strongly feels about a video, is through the comments section. So in case if there is a particular recipe that you want me to try, or a particular type of cooking, or anything under the sun that you want to ask me, please type down your comments on any of the videos. I would be really glad to answer them. Thank you for supporting me, and thank you for clicking that like button. It really helps YouTube in finding new viewers, so continue to do that, obviously. Thank you so much for supporting me, and until next time, see you later and stay safe.